Oh, but it's getting more interesting. It's getting more interesting. Hey, huh? Wetin dey say may not happen? Dey say may happen. Even the time wey dey find maybe say make dem tell us wetin happen. Na now dey wan happen. According to the news for Sahara Reporter and Premium Times and Daily Trust, dey say US court order FBI, DEA to release investigative file on Tinubu over 1990s drug probe. You hear am? According to US court, e say make FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation, DEA, you understand, make dem release all investigative files of Tinubu drug cases in the year 1990. Yesterday na be say the judge rule. E don rule. Now according to the judge, they say according to Premier and Judge Barry Howes of the US District Court for the District of Columbia handed down the order on Tuesday rejecting the government agency attempt to withhold the document under the so-called global response, a policy allowing agency to refuse to confirm or deny the existence of the record. You know the year now. A US federal judge has ordered the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the Drug Enforcement Administration DEA to release the investigative record relating to the Nigerian President Bola Ahmed Tinubu stemming from a purported narcotic traffic investigation in the year 1990. You understand? He say according to the court, he say make FBI and Drug Enforcement Administrative make dem release all purported documents relating to the narcotic traffic investigation. May e be say e concern our president Tinubu. Say according to Premium Times, Judge Barry Howes of the US District Court for the District of Columbia handed down the order on Tuesday, rejecting the government agency. You understand? He reject the government agency. Maybe say they wan hold am, they say make dem no release am, but he reject am. He say after that, he say the case was initiated by Aaron Greenspan, an American transparency advocate and founder of Plaintiff.org, who filed a lawsuit in June 2023 after submitting 12 FOIA requests to various US law enforcement and investigative agency. You know say during that time, 2003, wey be say this according the lawyer Greenspan, Aaron Greenspan na im file case say make dem release am. Dat time na Democrat na im dey power. So Democrat dem no go gree release am lie. Now Republican na im dey power now, which is Donald Trump. You know say dat man head no correct. If you know say you get criminal record like that, he go release am. Dat man. So now dis request sought details of a federal investigation into heroin trafficking network allegedly involving Tinubu and others including Abiodun Agbele, Moed Akande and Leandro Edward. Okay. Greenspan FOIA requests were earlier denied by the FBI and DEA Internal Revenue Service, Department of State Executive Office for US Attorney General and Central Intelligence Agency, of all which involve global response. In his lawsuit, Greenspan argued that the agency had improperly withheld information of significant public interest. He also cited a verified complaint filed by the US Department of Justice in 1993 seeking the forfeiture of $460,000 in funds linked to Bola Tinubu, which the US government alleged were proceeds of drug trafficking. Actually, the year now, in the let you know say now in the year 1993, our president he forfeit $460,000 to US government, and that money na money wey dem sell for illicit drugs. You understand? Now in the talks for years, so say the court documented include an affidavit by Kevin Moss, a special agent with IRS at the time, who detailed the activities of heroin ring. You understand? So this matter happened since 1990, in the year 90s, when they talk say our president Tinubu was allegedly involved in heroin and other drug-related offences. So the matter during election, you know say the matter go court. Our court for Nigeria dey strike hard because US department no gree release a lot of documents. Now the court now don grant say make FBI and DEA make dem release all informations, the files to the public. Dis na big travail and bad news to our president. You understand? Let me say e dey find to come back for 2027. How una see am with dis thing wey e be say the court just do now? If dis information really come out, e go really dent the image of our president to run for 2027. You understand? Because na dis one opposition go take hammer am say see the file, or carry the file, and the file dey put everything for internet. Even me, you go see the file. So wetin be your opinion? Is because the time wey we need am, that first dem no gree give us. Now dem wan come dey bring am for us. What is your opinion about it? Is it a good idea or a bad idea? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, happy Sunday. One love everyone.